Spider-Man has a great set superpowers, but let's see scientifically and check if Spider-Man can exist in reality. Once Spider-Man we have genetically modified means spider bite injected into his blood. Retroviruses carry themselves the genetic information that inserted into the DNA of infected cells. The cell reads this new DNA and creates imagine new functions of the protein chain on retrovirus. Go was supposed to infect everything. The cells of his body are not only encoded into all these cells a bunch of different new functions, that is, such a virus theoretically possible, but at the same time super cool like Spidey himself. Actually spider silk really stronger and more flexible steel spider thread only 1/10 thick. Human hair is able to stop a fly flying at a speed of 25 kilometers at 1 o'clock. It's hard to believe, but such a marriage 3 centimeters thick can easily stop jet fighter. Many spiders can take weight 50 times heavier than themselves. Such strength gives them small size. Let's say you download biceps, it increases in height and width, but not in length. That is, the strength of your body increases quadratically, that is, your size is raised to the second power. The larger the body, the more height, width and length, that is a multiplier. Cube or third degree scales get a ratio of 2 to 3, that is, the larger the organism, the weaker in proportion, of course, but Spider-Man both in form and in size, which means his retrovirus encoded in the cell increased production of actin and myosin proteins. These are muscle proteins that music gives you the opportunity to shrink, that is, they can make a man stronger. For a spider, it's not a problem he has on his paws. Tiny hairs. These hairs, million on per hairs with triangular tips. These tips interact directly with surface atoms due to electrostatic attraction, and bones do not attract the spider so much that they could hold another 170 of the same spiders. To adopt such Spider-Man's superpower would have to grow hair on arms and legs, which is unlikely to please girls who he constantly saves. And finally, how spider sense works. Actually, the bristles of a real spider and really very sensitive to vibration. Air vibrations means that Spider-Man could a little only at close range. They are a kilometer away like in comics.